Hello everybody. This is a quick tutorial on how to use Google Scholar and the UC Davis library databases to find academic journal articles. So the first thing we need to do is go to Google Scholar, which is scholar.google.com. And you want to sign in with your Gmail account. So I use my UC Davis Gmail account. And we're going to tweak one setting which will make our lives easier. So go to Settings and Library Links and type in University of California, Davis. Check that box and hit Save. What that does is it lets Google Scholar know to search through the UC Davis library holdings in order to see if we subscribe to them. Okay, so now we are ready to search for an academic article, and let's look for one that occurred in the Delbecco article which we read. So I've already copied it and I paste it in, and in the results we get, the article is right here. It's the first result that comes up. And when you look over to the side, you'll notice two things. The UC eLinks text there indicates that this is an article that is in the UC Davis catalog. It's probably something that we also have access to, but we at least have a record of it. With this result, however, since there's the PDF link above it, we don't need to go to the UC Davis library itself, the library website. We can just click this, and it will give us the PDF file that we're looking for. And you can just save this as you would any PDF file from your web browser. And of course, you can search through Google Scholar in the same manner you would search through Google, so you don't have to know exactly what you're looking for in order to find something. Not everything you want to find, however, is going to either appear in Google Scholar or will be reachable via Google Scholar. So let's go to the UC Davis library databases, because that is a place you're going to need to search as well. So it's lib.ucdavis.edu. And if you're off campus, you'll need to connect through the virtual private network, and that is on the left-hand side of the page. I already was connected to the network, so I'll sign out. And I'll sign back in. So you click the VPN, and here you'll just enter your UC Davis username and password. Okay, so in order to find something, we need to look in the right place. So we go to the harvest.uc Davis catalog. And we want to look through journals and serials. That is, we're searching for something in an academic journal. So let's look for the Theoretical Medicine and Bioethics Journal. And so we'll search for that in here. And the results we get are here. And it says electronic resources, which means that we have electronic copies of this journal. So click that, and then we will click this, which opens yet another page. And it says get it online from, and the Springer Standard Collection is where we go. And what this does is it takes us to the web page of the academic journal that the article we're interested in appeared in. So the name of the article that I'm interested in is called Just Ignore It, Parents and Genetic Information. And so we just search for that in the journal article, or in the journal rather. And it's the first result. We click download PDF, and we can download this file in the same manner as the other. So if you know the journal that you want to browse through, that's the way to do that. However, sometimes you want to search by subject area, not by specific journal article. So to do that, we go to the library homepage again, but this time when we click Catalogs and Databases, we go to Databases A through Z. And this is a number of different databases that are subject specific. So the one we'll look at is the Philosopher's Index. And what this is a database of all the philosophy journals that UC Davis is subscribed to. And so we will click the Philosopher's Index. And now whatever we search for here will look through philosophy journal articles. So I was curious to know, are philosophers writing about CRISPR yet? And so we can search for CRISPR. And it turns out that philosophers are not writing about CRISPR yet. There are no results. But for the sake of illustration, let's pretend that the article you were looking for is this reply to CRISP article. How would you go about downloading it? Well, you click the UC eLinks button, and that will open up yet another page, and this will take us to the website of the academic journal that this appeared in, and it takes us to the proper page as well. And we can click the link to the PDF, and then it will give us the reply to CRISP article.